Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to edit the header and footer on a Shopify space for 2-minute video. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to customize your Squarespace header and footer? Here's how to do it fast and easy. First of all, log into your Squarespace and open your site. Click edit on any page to enter the editor. Or create a new one. Then select your template. Then click next. Again next, 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 finish. Now hover over the header area. That's your top section. With the logo and navigation, click edit site header. Now you can change your logo, edit or add menu links. Click edit site header. Then you can change your title. Just hello. Add your logo from here. Adjust layout and color. Scroll down to the footer section, then add section. Add text, blogs, social icons, or newsletter signups. When you're done, click save button in the top left, and that's it. Your header and footer are now customized in Squarespace. Follow for more easy web design tips.